Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is updated and that camera and storage permissions are granted. Open WhatsApp and go straight to the Status tab, then tap the camera icon to begin. Pick the photo or short video you want to post or record a fresh clip. This saves time and avoids re-editing later. Once done, trim and adjust brightness quickly so you can move to the timing controls without interruptions. Now focus on how to control what viewers see and for how long. Trim the clip to 30 seconds per segment because WhatsApp splits longer videos automatically. Make sure your key timestamp appears within the first 30 seconds. Use the text tool to add a visible time or caption and position it so it isn't cut off by the interface. If you need longer visibility, split content into sequential 30-second segments. That keeps the timing consistent and predictable for viewers. Finally, tap Send to publish your status and then verify it in the Status tab to ensure the timestamp and content appear as intended. If the time overlay or trimmed point is off, press the 3 dots next to your status, delete that segment, and re-upload with corrected trimming or text placement. If upload fails or segments won't post, restart WhatsApp, and if needed, clear app cache. This resolves most transient uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.